Today agree to put apart our difference, our political affiliates, to fight for us to benefit in BBI. From here on, we are going to forget about 2022. And as the President said, we are going to concentrate on BBI to educate our people. Therefore, today we have more than 100 TOT, trainer of trainers, who are moving from here to the county level, ward, location, until village, Naikuru County. We are going to forget the 2022 from today onward. At the declaration by the delegates, we are going to support the President. We are going to support the BBI. And we are going to fight until the referendum. We call upon the county assembly members to now take charge and go by the declaration, go by the mwananchi.
It was in 2010 when we were dealing with the 2010 constitution, and we were told by President Kibaki and Prime Minister Odinga that if 80% is okay, why not pass this constitution and you carry out rectification baadaye. Now, it shocks me and surprises me that those of us who had issues with 20% can stand up and run around the country saying, no, 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 don't change anything. I think it's a fulfillment, and I thank the President and Prime Minister for enabling BBI to enable us attend to the 20%, which was not in the 2010 Constitution. I commend it to the people of Kenya. Thank you.